So brows are a pretty big deal right now, especially in the soap brow category, I guess is what you would call it. So yeah, we have everything from the Brow Freeze from Anastasia to the NYX Brow Glue. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the NYX Brow Glue and the Makeup Revolution Soap Styler, my personal favorite. But so today I'm just gonna well, in the next couple of days, I will be comparing and showing you how they apply, how long they last, the end product, and yeah. So stay tuned if you'd like to see that. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to use is the Brow Glue from NYX, and I've used all the products before. This I am not the biggest fan of. I think it's the spoolie, so it comes on this very tiny spoolie brush, and honestly, like, it's just kind of a pain, and I really wanted to like it, but it's not my fave. So basically, I'm just going to brush this through. And so that is the difference with the you know, soap brow in, and then if you want, you can like press your brow down. I'm not the biggest fan of doing that, but sometimes it's necessary. And so yeah, so that's what that looks like, and I'm just gonna do it to the other brow. So this product is $8, and honestly not bad for $8, but I will say the product, like, it comes with literally like not a lot. Like, this is so tiny for $8, but it's not bad, I guess. It's not my fave, so yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quickly and then show you what the end product looks like. Oh, a quick little side note, I will be filling in my brows all with the same product, which is the ColourPop Boss Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and I'll be cleaning it all up with the same concealer and everything, so don't think I'm trying to make this shit look any different. Okay, so this is what, okay, if there's any tear marks, I'm sorry. I watched Avengers Endgame while getting ready, which was indeed a giant mistake. Anyway, so this is what my brows look like with the NYX glue, the brow glue. It's just not my favorite. I don't like the spoolie, and I just don't, like, you get like 0.17 ounces, and I just, for like $8, and I don't, it's not my fave, but it's fine to like throw in your bag for a travel, I guess. But yeah, but that's my experience with it. And yeah, so this is that. Take what you want from this, on to the next one. Okay, so today we are going to be using the Makeup Revolution Soap Styler. This, I believe, is $8, and this is probably like one of my favorite products. I have used it to death. Please don't make fun of how fucking dirty it is, but I'm gonna spray it. So this one does require a spray, which is like really the only downside, but it's not really that big of a deal. So I'm about to just do like one single spray, sometimes two, depending on how you're feeling, and then I'm just going to collect some on my brush, and then I'm just going to brush through my brow. I like this one just because it's really like thick in a good way. Like, I actually feel like I'm putting something on my brow, and just like, look at that. And then here's the difference without like really doing much of anything. And then you can push it down. I really don't think like pushing it down is necessary, but I mean, I think a lot of people do it, and I just want to show like what's most popular, I guess, in terms of technique. So yeah, there is that. Now, I will say what is really unfortunate is that I have to clean this up because the excess is pretty bad and it will cake up my my foundation won't sit on my skin. And if you're like, ew, it's a dirty Q-tip. No, it's not. I have a tinted sunscreen on, so that's why. But so yeah, you just clean that up. And then I'm just going to fill in my brow with the Boss Brow Pencil. And I will be right back with the finished look. Okay, I have class in like 6 minutes, so I'm filming on my phone and not my camera. Let me know if you like this better, like this quality better, because I like it. Anyway, so this is the soap styler from Makeup Revolution. This is how my brows look at the end of the look, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, you can kind of see where like the foundation isn't touching my brows, which kind of annoys me because you can kind of see where like I've filled in my brows. But other than that, I absolutely love this this soap styler so much, and it's my favorite, and it's like $8 and you can find it at Ulta, and I love it. But yeah, so that is that part of the video. I will see you tomorrow for the brow freeze. So today is the last day of my brow reviews, and I am ending it with the Anastasia brow freeze. And it took me so long to get this product, like literally so long. But what I like about this product is that it doesn't require me to spray it, which is pretty nice. So basically, you pick product up in here, and then you swirl it around on your brush here, like on the cap here. So, and you really don't need a lot. And then that is the difference. And then it says to press down. And voila, a brow has been made. So, like all the other ones, I'm going to fill it in with the Boss Brow Pencil from ColourPop and clean it up with some concealer, and I will be right back with the finished product. And I am back. Oh, it was so gross. Okay. Okay, and I'm back. This is the final look, and this is what the brow freeze looks like after my makeup is done. My hair is on the way, but yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like me to do other videos like this, please let me know. And if you are interested in any of the brow products that I use, they will all be listed down below as well. So yep, I hope you all have a great day, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!